Hi everyone. I just had a thought go through my mind, and I just wanted to throw out a question, and you can think about the answer yourself, or you could comment in the comments below. But I wanted to know how you're using little odds and ends in your pantry. Are you discarding them? Are you incorporating them into meals? If you have a little bit of this and a little bit of that, do you try to think out of the box and try to create something else, or are you just sitting there frustrated? Well, I was trying to make some room in one of my cabinets today, and I was putting some things away, and I came across a box of pancake mix. Now, I used to buy it a lot when Mom was with me, because she used to like pancakes and things, or she'd like, quick breads and stuff, and it was good. But this is the last box I had. It was still good. It was about a quarter of a box left. And I decided, you know what? This is in the way. I have 3 apples in the refrigerator that have not been eaten. And I had some chopped walnuts that I had bought from Aldi's just to keep in the house. So I decided to make a real quick apple coffee bread, I guess. What I did was I put the pancake mix in a bowl. I added a lot of cinnamon, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and I mixed it with water, and I stirred it up real well, and it came out to a nice batter. Then I chopped up my apples. I blended it all well, put it in my pan, and I says, you know what? Walnuts go great with apples and cinnamon. So I went over and I chopped up a few walnut halves, and this is a nice treat. Now, this is going to be a treat, so we'll probably have a piece each tonight, and I think I'm going to freeze the rest so that we don't get tempted to demolish it. But sometimes at night you want a little something, and I've been doing my Fitness Pal, and I've been doing really well with it. So I think I can have a sliver of this in maybe a cup of tea or something, or like a few ounces of skim milk for a snack. So that's what I did with it. I really try not to let anything go to waste. And I don't know how you guys are doing, but my Preps to Meals series has really got me thinking on different ways to make different things and to be creative. And I'll be honest, in a month or so, or a couple of maybe 2 months, it's going to be nice and warm out, and I'm not going to want to be doing all this. So I'm trying to get as much done now as I can, because around April, I'm going to be in that garden a lot. So I'm trying to make room for new stuff, and using up anything that's opened. And that's today's creation. It looks and smells delicious. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I just threw it together. So again, I'll just ask you if you want to leave a comment below. Let me know how you're using your preps. How you're turning them into meals. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. If you like the Prep to Meals series, please give me a thumbs up and maybe leave a comment below. It seems to be pretty popular, and I'd like to get back to it. It keeps me accountable as well. So, folks, if you like this video, you know to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a pleasant evening, and God bless you.